YouTube, what's up? This your boy Ham Busy 30. Sorry I've been missing MIA. I gotta get back on the grind, and I'm thankful for my loyal subscribers and supporters. Y'all still stuck with me, even though I've been providing good content lately. And I'm sorry, guys, but today I got something for you. That's not exclusive. Well, it's in the Kia market, but it's a 2021, so ain't too many people got their hands on this. I mean, it's a Kia, it's a K5, so Kia K5. So, but without further ado, I just want to say thank you for still subscribing. And my birthday is on Thursday. My birthday is this Thursday, which is October the 1st. And yeah, cash apps are welcome, but it's no pressure. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video.
I am busy, crazy. YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Ham Busy 30. And without further ado, this is the new 2021 K5 by Kia. That's an exclusive. It's 2021. I was gonna give y'all a quick walk around. Of course, you can see it's an eggshell white. And the amber LEDs and the full LED for the headlights. I'm gonna take you to the inside and see what we got. All black interior, got the cloth, touch screen. K5. I say nothing too fancy, nothing fancy, just something brand new and exclusive. Check out the trunk. Yeah, got pretty good cargo space. Sorry guys, you can't hardly see me. The sun is real bright out here today, so sorry if that's taking away from the content and the viewing. So let's go check out the inside. Like I said, it's brand new, even though I got 3,328 miles. Got the touch screen, radio. It don't have navigation on it, unfortunately. And no sunroof. Got your cup holders, gear shift lever, dual climate control, dual climate zone. It also has a rear view camera. Drive mode, you can select different drive modes you want to be in. So you got your sport, your custom, smart, normal. Then if you want to do it on the radio, it's the same thing: sport, custom, smart, normal. So I like sport. Got 160 on the dash as well. It's a pretty good sized car. Like I said, nothing spectacular. Got some good air conditioning in it. Cut it down. Yeah, let me get ready to check out this engine and see what we got up under the hood. Alright, got the turbo GDI. Like a little four-cylinder, or turbocharged engine. Sorry guys, I gotta get back into the groove of the reviewing cars. It's been so long since I did it, so might be a little off of my game a little bit, but Just remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell for all post notifications. And I appreciate y'all hanging in there with me. Do a wrap around. There go the beautiful LEDs. You can see them. So there you go, guys. Like I said, I've been MIA. Been needed some exclusive content, so I'm gonna come back with some more. And like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell for all post notifications. I appreciate it. Thank you for the support. It's your boy Ham Busy 30, and I'm out. Peace.